A Zimbabwean artist is trying to draw awareness to protecting nature through her artworks. Addison Baker spent considerable time at Victoria Falls near Zimbabwe's prime wildlife sanctuary.
I'm inspired by, firstly, by what I see in the field. I'm inspired also by immediate conversations, the state of the earth, obviously, the unsung heroes that I work with.
Baker's collection, titled A Book That Cannot Be Read, is currently on display at the National Gallery of Zimbabwe. The artist tries to incorporate anti-poaching insights into her works.
There's so many stories in her artworks and so detailed. And the paintings, you can absolutely fall in love with every piece. Each time you go through, there's just something else to love and appreciate.
Art has always been part and parcel of the people, because art is the newsletters of the society.